All right, welcome back, everybody. It's Monday, April 6th. I hope everyone had a nice long weekend. I know I did. Today's trading session, by the thumbnail, you can probably see, not great. Overall, I'm actually annoyed because I think I know my daily stop limit actually stopped me. I would have been 100% green on the day. And I'll show you why. I took, let's see, we took 5 trades. I took a couple before the market opened. Those were just break-even trades. Won't even go to look at them. And then took 3 trades, 3 losers. Yeah, it was 760 loss. The ones before were over here. Actually, both of them went into the green. I put my stop break even, and then it turned around. I was hoping that it would push back to the previous highs or lows. I don't remember now if I shorted or long, but I was aiming for the previous highs and lows, and I got it wrong. So break even, not too bad. These ones, not the best trades I've ever taken, but also not bad. I mean, I watched this pull down or like break through VWAP. It even did a nice test, and at this point, honestly, I was bearish after all these, like breaking this. I was expecting I was expecting this to go down. So when it came up, I took a short on the close of this candle. It ran up. I closed the trade for a loss of 260, and then I almost immediately, yeah, and then immediately took another short from here, expecting it to go down. It did not. So I was a little bit annoyed. I'm like not overly annoyed because I like the play, I like the short. Just didn't work out this time. Later on, as this came down, I really liked the long after on this one. I really liked how, like, for whatever reason, I was very convinced that this was a good long. And I took a long on this close of this candle. And almost immediately, I think it was 46.25 was when I got taken out right there. So pretty much the bottom. Like if I didn't have the daily loss limit, I would have held 100%. I was gonna hold to here. So I knew 80 from 80 to 53. That's 27 points. So yeah, 100% would have been green. So that's why this one pissed me off, because I was certain that after this push back up, sort of this liquidity sweep of all this, after I saw this, I was quite confident in this play. But getting stopped out almost at the bottom, like what is that? 1 tick, 2 ticks, and then having it rip. I mean, I would have never held it to here, but 100% to here. That's because I was house trading earlier. Like that's what I'm trying to do, at least to get to the highs, maximize profits rather than just killing it quickly. So that one, it kind of really, yeah, that one pissed me off. And then it was like one of those things like, should I have the daily loss limit? But knowing my history and blowing accounts, I think it's still for the best. I mean, I'm trading by my strategy a lot better now. I'm going by the rules a lot better, but it just really sucks. Like maybe this one wasn't the best play, but again, I was very bearish at this point. I mean, maybe on a higher time frame, I don't even know what it looks like. I mean, yeah, I don't know. It just kind of looks like it could have sold off some more. So I don't think that was a bad play, really. And yeah, just it is what it is. This one kind of annoyed me, but at the same time, if I was wrong and it didn't have my daily loss limit, this could have been, I don't know, a pretty solid loss too. So 30 down to another 20 points, $400. So yeah, it's one of those sessions. Yeah, not much more to say. I mean, $700, again, it's not the end of the world. I'm quite confident I'll make that back. It's just, and then later on, there was a couple of good plays here that, I probably would have taken. Probably this one back to the highs. That's the new thing I'm doing now, is going to try to take it to the highs, because they seem to respect, when they respect, at least go back to the highs, and I think that's what I'll do. Might get more break-even trades, but then I think my winners will be also larger. But yeah, there's another one here. This one could have been okay too. Yeah, it's a day of what ifs, basically. Not much to learn. It's just sometimes you lose. Overall, not mad, because I didn't really. Maybe I shouldn't have taken 2 shorts in a row after this one blew past, but this one looked good because of the sort of resistance support turned into resistance, considering all of this support. Yeah, at this point I'm rambling, but anyways, crappy day. It is what it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow.